Well, welcome to Budget Fatafat. Here we get you the news that can impact you, that can be announced in the budget as well. And I'm joined by my colleagues Prakash and Sameer on this. And first I go to Prakash onto our big budget exclusive. Sources say Finance Minister may provide relief to taxpayers who belong to low-income group. Prakash Priyadarshi joins with more details. Over to you, Prakash.
The stage is all set for the union budget for the financial year 2026. We are learning from our sources that the finance minister is likely to take several measures to boost domestic consumption. In fact, consumption-led growth is something which is on the government's agenda, and therefore several measures are likely to be announced. We are given to understand that the government is likely to provide relief to the taxpayers and middle class, where some reduction in taxes along with tax rationalization could be made. In addition to that, what we are also learning from our sources that the government may provide tax relief to the taxpayers, where tax exemption limit along with all benefit may be increased to rupees 10 lakh, where a standard deduction limit, which is at rupees 75,000 at this point of time, could be increased to rupees 1 lakh. Sources are also indicating that the relief is also expected in the rupees 3 lakh to 7 lakh tax category under new tax regime, where basic exemption limit could be increased beyond rupees 3 lakh. A very significant development coming in. In addition to that, sources are also suggesting that the finance minister may unveil, a revamped income tax act in the budget to undertake language simplification, process simplification, and removal of redundant laws.
Well, now we go to Sameer, and ET now learns that Centre may be looking to hike railway budgetary allocation by between 15 to 20%. My colleague Sameer Dixit is here with details. Over to you, Sameer.
In the upcoming union budget, the government is going to have a big focus on the railway sector. Sources have indicated that the budgetary allocation for FY26 could see an increase of around 15 to 20%, and the total allocation could be somewhere to the tune of rupees 2.8 lakh crore. And the higher budget allocation is likely to be spent in three important areas. The first one is high-speed mobility. Railway Ministry intends to roll out more and more Vande Bharat train, especially the sleeper variant of Vande Bharat train on tracks, which brings the high-speed mobility much closer, much more relevant for the passengers. The second one is the safety. So the Kavach, which is the anti-collision device, safety device mechanism, more railway network to be brought under Kavach safety mechanism, and locomotives as well. The target is to bring 4,500 kilometers of rail network under Kavach and 10,000 locomotives under Kavach mechanism within a span of 1 to 2 years. And the third one is to upgrade and expand the existing rail network. So doubling and tripling of the railway line is where the higher spending will be done. So these are the three key areas. In addition to this, the US-BRL project or the Jammu-Srinagar rail connectivity, this project might be mentioned by FM Nirmala Sitharaman in her budget speech.
Are you an entrepreneur with a vision to transform business world? If so, then apply for IDFC First Bank presents ET Now Leaders of Tomorrow Season 12 Awards, which celebrates entrepreneurs shaping the future. So whether you are a small business owner, a young entrepreneur, or a social entrepreneur, do not miss this chance to elevate your business and join the ranks of most inspiring entrepreneurs of our time. Submit your entry by 9th of next month and get ready to take global stage. Apply now at leadersoftomorrow.co.in.